Hello everyone. So in this video I will let you know to create workflow for WhatsApp consent to be set no or if someone wants to opt out. Then go to workflows, create workflow from scratch, trigger manually, contact, save and continue. Then click on group 1 manually triggered only. When filter criteria is met, here you need to select Vera WhatsApp integration message received has been completed any number of times and click on plus add criteria. Message contains any of, then put value, stop in capital, stop as capital and all small. Then click on done, save. So with this, if someone sends you a message which contains stop, so that content will mark the WhatsApp consent given property to no. Then click on plus in CRM card, edit record. Here you need to choose a property. Choose a property WhatsApp consent given. Choose value to no. Then save. You can put a name to the workflow here. WhatsApp opt out or consent no, just for your reference. Save, and then this workflow is ready. You can review and turn on this workflow. Thank you.